10.1-inch HD display? Check. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto? Check. Single DIN chassis? Really?
Look at it.
Well, don't that beat all? The Kenwood DMX1038S is a feature-packed powerhouse receiver built into a single DIN chassis with a 4-way adjustable display that allows for installation in just about any vehicle. Adjustments include depth, height, tilt, and left and right positioning. The 10-inch display delivers over twice the screen area of a traditional 7-inch screen and features a crisp 1280 by 720 HD resolution. Let's talk about wider viewing angles. 170 degrees from both horizontal and vertical directions. This, combined with the bonded optical display, minimizes glare and reflection from sunlight, giving both driver and passengers a clear image no matter where they are in their vehicle. Let's talk features. As you can see, we already have it hooked up to CarPlay. Check it out, it's me on YouTube. Everyone go and like. We have CarPlay and Android Auto, wired or wireless. One great thing about the homepage is that it's very customizable. Ooh, look, definitely customizable. So you can come over here, change the clock. One other great thing is the volume knob right here, tactile. So built for all of those people that, still like that kind of feel. Another great feature is the split screen support, which lets CarPlay or Android Auto run alongside another Kenwood source, like vehicle information through iData Link Maestro, all on the same display. So let's check it out here. So we're on Apple CarPlay right now. And right here, you can see at the top here in the corner, there's 2 arrows. And if you hit it, then the screen separates, and here we have the other source. And if you click this hamburger menu down here, here's radio, but you have Sirius XM. So pretty much just anything you would have hooked up to there, you have a dual screen. Speaking of Maestro, the DMX1038S is fully compatible with the RR or RR2 modules. Retain vehicle information, steering wheel controls, factory amps, and much more. Supports wireless and HDMI mirroring for compatible smartphones. The DMX1030S supports high-res audio playback, delivering sound quality that exceeds CD standards up to 192 kHz 24-bit audio. Features also include a 14-point parametric equalizer, 13-band graphic equalizer, and a time alignment to dial in the perfect sound. Let's check it out. So we'll go to the settings here on the home page, and then up top we got the audio. You can see you have pretty much everything you would need to set sound. How about some features for safer driving? Rear view camera input with parking lines, front HD camera input, 4 total camera inputs, camera switching available through on-screen controls or automatically when installed with Maestro on compatible vehicles. DMX1038S also features a built-in gyro sensor to display the pitch and roll GUI. This accurately captures the vehicle's angle and direction and displays it on screen. Let's check it out. Ooh. Wanting to give your customer a big upgrade? The Kenwood DMX1038S packs plenty of features in a small chassis design while still giving them a beautiful large screen. Are you a consumer looking to get one of these for yourself? Davis always recommends reaching out to a local car audio installer. They have all the tools and know-how to get you set up right. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, orange couch crush, or our latest podcast episodes. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.